They hit it.
Ooh, he hit it.
Get up here.
Calico, nice.
You want him or a little bit smaller? Another little crappie. So we have 4 fish for now.
You bring your counter?
Yep, it's in my bag. So we'll let him go here. Here's the jig I'm using. Yellow, red, and black jig head with a black and white jig here. Got a Zebco reel and a Shakespeare Navigator rod. So we're just gonna pair up all these banks here. We got one. So that is number 5. What's up? Real slow. And there we go. We're hooked up again. Another crappie. So that's number 6. Right here, guys. Number 6. Let him go here. Here again is the jig. We got one right there, guys. Number 7. They are absolutely just loving this. Look at that. Get a better view here. The jig and the crappie. Throw them back out. Here we go. Number 8 or 9, I kind of lost count. We're gonna say 8. Get him out. Number 8 right there, and just a little jig. So that's number 9. That's the 9th fish of the day, though. I got one. This is the 10th fish of the day. On this little jig. We're crappie slaying right now. Sight fishing, crappie, with a little black and white jig right here, guys. Watch it. We got him. Sight fished that one. Right there, that is number 11 for the day. And man, look how black he is. Yeah? Just jigging. Oh, we had a hit. We got him. We got him. 2 hits, guys. We got the second one. Number 13 of the day. They're just sight fishing here on a jig. They're not on beds or anything. They're just sitting here in this water. It's a bass right over there. We got one. Look at that, guys. Another little crappie here. So that is number 19 fish of the day. So we're slaying out here, guys. We got one, guys. And the bass tried to eat the crappie. All right, see you, buddy. There's a bass right here. Bass thought about taking my lure a bit. All right, so let's go down here. We got one, guys. Oh, he's a nice one. He's a nice one, guys. He's a nice bass. Get on up here, baby.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Ready?
Hold up.
Good.
Here, get one closer, too.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah, and they're bigger. We're gonna get bigger.
That thing just popped the hook out right at the shore and I grabbed him. All right, here he goes.
What I don't understand is
So, cast it out in that shoreline, reeling it in, hit it. He smoked it. All I'm using, I'll show you the lure right here, guys. It's just a Mepps minnow brown trout. They got tons of calicos in here, so it kind of mimics them, some of the sunfish, but
I'm gonna give you 1 point for doing that. Nice there.
I see him. He's right here.
You can't be hungry after you eat that.
Oh, he just missed my lure.
Maybe that other fish got off and he didn't. What do you think?
There we go. There we go.
Got him. Hold on with the net. Just playing. Don't horse him. Don't horse him. Don't horse him. Don't horse him. Here I am. Don't horse him. Shit. That's my boy.
Sight fish that.
I gotta take a picture of that.
Sight fished him, baby.
You are mad. Had a hit. You missed it.
These little fish are hitting it so hard. Oh, I got one. A crappie. Just caught a crappie on this little CP swinger here, guys. My blade wasn't even really spinning, so I just started jigging it. And caught him. They look pretty similar, right? Tons of fish over here.
Look at that fish on top of the water swing.
Mm-hmm.
See it?
Yeah. We got one.
Good job. Good job.
Get up here, buddy.
Oh, nice.
So that is number 3 bass for me.
Nice, nice.
On the brown trout, Mepps minnow, Mepps minnow right there, guys. So it's not that bad, guys. But we're gonna let him go.
Well, we can drive over and pick up our stuff from that side. Here.
Oh, here's 2 little bass right here. You got it. Sight fish this little bass, guys. There's 2 bass that swam up, just dropped it right in front of him. You got him.
I like this bass right here. This is a brown one.
Boom.
Go with that brown one. Let me see yours. I can't see the color. Okay, I'm going with that one.